I really want a haircut. My hair's like really long and like dead, so.
Double cup love, you the one I lean on.
Hi guys, how's it going? What the? That literally sounded like I was working. Hey guys, how's it going? Hi. Whoa. That was like weird. I think I was inspired by Jenna Marbles realistically because homegirl is always doing something crazy with her hair. Right, so now that the weather's like warming up, okay, my hair is technically black, but like I think you can kind of see right here. This long strand right here used to be like that, like around there, and they were just like side bangs, but they weren't like even like good side bangs. They were kind of just like little, you know. Okay, so here I've got my extensions. All right, this kind of looks scary similar. Yeah, literally, what the fuck. Right, so I have these extensions and I never use them really. I've used them like twice, 3 times in my life. I got them for my senior year for prom, and yeah, I think I have used them like 4 times. I like watched a tutorial. I watched one tutorial of this like lady turning her extensions into like clip-on bangs, and I just like wanted to try it. And these are the only pair of scissors that I have that I don't even know if they're meant for cutting hair, but like they kind of look like it, so we're going with that. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay, so yeah, I was watching her video and she kind of just said fuck it, and so that's what I'm gonna do. Oh my god, this is gonna be so hard to see. I have a mirror over there, by the way, just so you know. The setup is like crazy. Everything's on my bed. She had it like right here. Oh my god, I look crazy. Okay, I look like the Grudge. Okay, I'm getting like my real hair mixed in with this, so I think I'm gonna take them off and then clip them back in. Now that I know where I want them, I'm gonna clip them back in with my hair up. That way I don't cut my real hair. So this is the new hairstyle that's been trending all over Instagram. Oh my god, this is scary. No, can I like do the twisting thing? People do that, right? First. Is this it? It's too late. Oh my god. This isn't even my real hair and I'm freaking out. Oh god. Oh my god, that's scary. It feels like they're my bangs. Like I just fucked up my hair, but this isn't even my hair. Oh, that's scary. I don't even know if I want to cut my own hair now. Shit, that looks so crazy. Oh, look at this. That's wild. And what she did was she took like these 2 pieces and then she like kind of like left them out. I should probably like clip this down, huh? Yeah, jeez. Y'all seeing this? Ah. Oh. Oh, hell no. Luckily, I have a curling iron here that we're going to use. I think I'm gonna do that little thing that they do when they like fix the hairs. Oh my god, it's gonna get in my fucking eyes, isn't it? I feel like it's all over my face. You know when you get a haircut and then like the hair gets all over you? That's how I feel right now. I look nuts. It's fine, it's fine. We're gonna look good. It's fine. Okay, you know what? I'll get back to you on this cutting situation, and then yeah, I'll be back when I'm curling it. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, I'm not done. But you know what this is making me realize? That you should definitely buy extensions, because if you ever want to like go crazy and like cut your hair, you could just cut extensions instead and not fuck up your life. Because imagine if this was my real hair. Exactly. Bitch. Oh, oh honey. Oh my god. This is freaking wild. It kind of looks legit. Like, so clearly I can't pull them off. They make my head look rounder. I look strange. I look so strange. I'm like looking at myself in the viewfinder and I'm like, freaky. You can obviously see the little, like, put that, you know, get that out of your mind, and it's like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my god, they kind of look real. You know what? It kind of looks like someone fucked me up, but in reality, I fucked me up. Oh. You know, other than this, like, band showing, they look legit. Like, hold up. Let me find a beanie or something. I'm so not used to bangs anymore, like, because mine were, like, up here, bitch. They were, like, Dora. This is weird. I don't want bangs. This is definitely not convincing me. But it's like if I ever wanted to go in public in like a disguise, bitch, I could literally go to Walmart like this. Would you recognize me? Okay, if I was wearing like a big hoodie, this. Do you feel like your bangs over your glasses? Like, who is she? Who is she? Obviously these glasses don't look real at all. Oh, over my whole fucking head. Oh, now I look like a foreign exchange student. I don't know what I look like, but I don't look like myself. Obviously my face, yeah, no shit, but like who is she? I should just go like a bob. Oh no, me with short hair, could you imagine? I could not imagine myself with short hair. Ew. Gross. Ew. I'm like, do you even skate, bro? Bitch. Honestly, the top of my head probably looks all fucked up, but like, we're just gonna ignore that because I can't really see it with these little hairs on my face, but hair up. Weird. Okay, cool. I'm gonna take these off. So these, I'm trying to show you guys, like, these are my bangs compared to my hair length, like, so yeah, they're not really bangs anymore, they're kind of just there. I know when the lady cut it, she did a terrible job because they were uneven, like one side was thicker than the other, like she cut less hair on one side than she did on the other side, so I was like, okay. So how am I gonna do this, you may ask? I think I'm just gonna wing it. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wing it. I like want it here, so I'm gonna cut it here because if I fuck up, that's that. I'm kind of scared. Oh god, who let me do this? Whoa. I used to have side bangs too when I was like growing on my Dora bangs in like high school. Holy shit. It's too late now. It's fine, the tips will grow out eventually and look like shit. Honestly, I don't hate it. Whoa, I don't hate it. I'm okay. Okay, tell me why this looks better than when the bitch cut it. Does this mean I should be a hairstylist and drop out of film school? Okay, I like it. What the fuck? It might look like shit to you, but I like it. And if there's a hair stylist, hairdresser watching this, I'm so sorry, but I mean, you clicked on my video. I don't know why, but like you did, so. Okay, maybe she stabbed. This is fun, bitch. Oh, next week I'm gonna dye my hair. Just kidding. Look, you want to cut my ends now. Okay, I need to like slow my roll before I fuck everything up. But you know what? I'm tempted, so I'm just gonna cut tips. That's all. Just a little. I'm gonna lose my shit. You know what? I should go back to cutting the extensions, not my real hair. You know what? Yeah, let me stop. Let me stop. Alright guys, well that's it for this week's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I know I had fun chopping hair. I'm glad I did not get carried away and go for my whole head because bitch, who knows where I would have stopped. But yeah, thanks guys for supporting me. Acting like I'm hot shit. Oh my god. Sorry, I got excited. I haven't seen like how many subscribers I have. I'm almost at 600, bitch. That's crazy. I remember when I had 100. Oh my god, this shit was still on. Right, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As I already said, like I had fun, blah blah blah, you get the point. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.